Welcome to Cygenex 101, your premier gateway to the universe of genetics, genomics, and precision medicine. Within the realm of genetics, we encounter a tapestry of possibilities, interwoven and complexities. Today, we embark on a journey to unveil these mysteries, providing answers to the questions that hold profound significance. What role does genetics play in our lives, particularly within the context of our health and overall well-being of ourselves and our employees? How might our comprehension of this intricate genetic code propel us towards a future replete with unprecedented healthcare prospects, improved outcomes, reduced healthcare costs, and greater employee satisfaction? In this succinct series, thoughtfully tailored for the discerning schedules of busy executives and HR professionals, we will adeptly navigate the foundational principles of genetics, the realm of genetic testing, and the transformative potential that emerges when these elements are seamlessly integrated into your organization's comprehensive benefits programs. Let's start with the basics. Genetics, often hailed as the language of life, dictates our very existence. Our genes, comprised of DNA, hold the blueprint for constructing and maintaining our bodies. This genetic code, passed down from our parents, shapes our traits, predispositions to diseases, and even our medication responses. But it doesn't stop there. Genomics broadens this canvas, examining the individual genes in the entire genetic library. Completing the Human Genome Project in 2003 marked a monumental leap, unlocking the potential of genomics and giving rise to promising fields like pharmacogenomics. Genetic testing is not just a scientific marvel. It's a strategic opportunity for your company. By integrating genetic testing, particularly pharmacogenetics, into your employee benefits program, you're not just enhancing healthcare, but revolutionizing your approach to workforce well-being. But why choose Cygenex? We position ourselves at the vanguard of genetic testing and precision medicine innovation, providing your company with a comprehensive end-to-end solution. Our repertoire encompasses cutting-edge genetic testing, providing distinctive adaptable insights derived from your healthcare data, all complemented by our expert team of licensed genetic counselors. Our commitment extends to your employees' well-being, productivity, and contentment. Why is it essential for you to understand the fundamental principles of genetics? It's because it holds profound significance, extending beyond mere ancestral curiosity. It actively shapes our future. And here are some examples of why these foundations are paramount. Elevating employee well-being. Genetics wields substantial influence over susceptibility to various health conditions. Genetic testing empowers the tailoring of wellness programs, fostering a healthier, more engaged workforce, and facilitating a safer, more effective treatment. It maximizes employee productivity. Genetic insights sheds light on factors that impact individual performance, and with targeted support, employees can excel, bolstering engagement and sharpening focus. Attracting and retaining premier talent. Offering genetic testing signals a forward-thinking approach, attracting top-tier talent and rendering your company highly competitive within the job market. Curtailing healthcare expenses. Prevention through genetic testing reduces the need for extensive medical interventions, hospitalizations, and prolonged treatments, resulting in substantial cost savings. Ethical and legal considerations hold paramount importance. Compliance with pertinent regulations nurtures trust among employees and mitigates potential legal liabilities. Data-driven wellness programs. Genetic data is the compass for tailoring wellness initiatives, providing targeted interventions for lifestyle adjustments and preemptive measures. In genetics, we're not merely unraveling the enigma of our past. We're actively paving the way towards a healthier and more vibrant future. Join us at Cygenex 101 as we embark on this journey, charting a course to a future where genetics not only revolutionizes our comprehension of health, but also transforms the fabric of our organizations and lives. Before we wrap up this presentation, I'd like to share with you a case study that has really had an impact on all of us. It's about an individual who, at the age of 56, had his first heart attack. His doctors prescribed various medications and treated him with multiple stents over the years. But unfortunately, he had another heart attack and eventually died at the age of 72 from heart failure. His son, who was only 26 years of age at the time of his father's first heart attack, wanted to make sure that he was not going to be following in his father's footsteps and end up with the same early demise. So he had several tests run on himself and found out that he was in fact on the same trajectory as his father's health, with elevated cholesterol levels and an increased risk of heart attack or stroke within the next 10 years. So then his doctor started him on various medications, but unfortunately he did not see any changes in his cholesterol levels, but rather he was experiencing severe adverse drug reactions with muscle aches and pains from the statin medications he was prescribed. This trial and error prescribing went on for literally decades until his doctor recommended a relatively new genetic test at the time called pharmacogenomics. When the test results came back, he found out that he was not metabolizing any of the medications that he had been prescribed over the years. And in fact, based upon his genetic mutations, he never should have been prescribed them in the first place. As a result, his doctor prescribed a new drug based on his genetics. And after just 2 months, he reran his tests only to find a remarkable change in his cholesterol level. What he found was a great surprise to him and an even greater surprise to his doctor. His total cholesterol went from 285 to 138. His LDL, or bad cholesterol, dropped from 153 to 63, and his HDL, or good cholesterol, went up from 31 to 42. Not only that, but his risk of having a heart attack or stroke over the next 10 years dropped from 24.2% to just 7.1%. And what makes this case even more impactful to me is that this case is me. I am that patient, and that was my father. Needless to say, the results of my pharmacogenomic test and my new medication based on my genetics have not only made a big impact on my life, but a huge impact on my family's life, knowing that I've reduced my risk of having a heart attack or stroke, as well as an early death. But mine is not a unique story. Adverse drug reactions and adverse drug events are one of those health issues that we now know can be mitigated simply by providing pharmacogenomic testing for everyone, no matter if you're currently on one drug, multiple drugs, or anticipated being on any drugs in the future. Everyone can benefit from this test. So I encourage you to take the next step and add this benefit to your company. Help yourselves and your employees improve their health by making sure that they're taking the right drug in the right dosage the first time, thereby reducing or preventing adverse drug events, decreasing doctor's visits, hospitalizations, and reducing overall costs for your employees as well as for your company, all while improving health outcomes. For more information or to begin this program, speak to your Cygenex representative or give us a call. We're here to help you. Thank you.